If your cucumber vines are growing slow, weak, or not giving enough fruits, then you're about to discover a powerful natural secret. What if I told you that just 1 cup of beet juice can make your cucumber vines grow like crazy? Yes, it sounds surprising, but beet juice is packed with nutrients that your plants absolutely love. Beet juice contains essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron, and natural sugars. These nutrients feed beneficial soil microbes, improve root strength, and boost overall plant energy. The result? Stronger vines, greener leaves, and more cucumbers. Here's how to use it. Take 1 cup of fresh beet juice and mix it with 1 liter of water. Pour this mixture slowly around the base of your cucumber plant. Use it once every 10 to 15 days for best results. Within days, you'll notice faster growth and healthier vines. Try this simple trick and watch your cucumber harvest explode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening tips.